Greetings friends, today we're going to learn something very interesting. Recently I learned how the Django queries actually work in the backend. I have been developing programs for quite some time now, but I was amazed to learn this. We are all familiar with this format which we have often used to call on queries. This is the views.py file, while this is the index.html file in which the query is being loaded. I always thought that how this thing works is that we make a query set here and then this query is passed on to the template and then rendered there. However, I was completely wrong. How this thing actually worked is in the exact opposite. What happens is that the query is fired when this statement is encountered. This is because the calling of query API in Django is lazy. This leads to some interesting results. Let's say if this query has to be fired, we will have to fire the query just as many times as this for loop is being iterated. Whereas in this case, when we have a foreign key, when there's a foreign key, the number of query fires increases many folds. This leads to our program getting slow, and though it might not be visible to you on your local server, but if you're making a website for a big company with a lot of traffic, this will be visible. So we're going to learn how we can optimize this. So let's go to the views.py file. How this thing actually work is that I have called the query set cheese.objects.all once, and then for the two parts, that is the one where I'm not using the foreign key and the one where I have called them separately. As we can see, cheese 1, I have simply added a filter with a quality equal to 5, whereas in cheese 2, I have used the select related and then used place and then added filter. Place is simply the model name of the foreign key. With this, our query has been optimized and will not give us any slow results in an environment with a lot of traffic. Thus, with this, we can optimize our queries. It is advised that you actually go to the proper documentation and then give it a read. I actually learned a lot reading this in the past couple of days, and I will strongly recommend you to do the same. That will be all for now. Thank you.